What if you've got chain dimensions and you need to put notes on one dimension but not the other? I'm going to show you how you can split your dimensions. This came up with me just before. I'm working on a project. I'm going to use my constrain linear dimension tool. So I'm going to start on the inside part of that room from there to there. Click and place that, and place that one, and probably pay me to zoom in, make sure I'm snapping to my wall. But if I've got master snap points, I shouldn't have to do that. It should automatically find them. Now this dimension here is the one that I want to get rid of, so I'm going to split. It's going to get rid of that dimension, so that dimension is now separated from these, and I can now write the word existing underneath there, and it won't go onto all the others. And that gives me my dimension. And that's how I've split my dimensions up. I could have created my dimensions using the standard mode, but that would have been slower. If you like these movies, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notified. But if you want to join a workshop where I guide you through Vectorworks, subscribe on my website and join me every month for workshops where we go through Vectorworks in detail. Thanks for watching.